Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Yesterday, guys, I did another haul of cheap soil. If you did not see my video on how to get the cheap soil, go check that video out. Yesterday, I had to do a little haggling, a little bit, just a little bit, like Miss Shirley OG Gardner, just a little bit. But hi, how's it going? Are you? What's the discount on the damaged bags? Is it still 50% off?
50, it depends on how much is lost on it. So this might be like, let's say maybe 10% off.
10% off with this big hole right there.
I mean, I could
Yeah, and
double
it's
check. Uh,
this.
20. Let's just take 20% off all.
okay.
I'll be okay
Sounds
with that. I'll be
If
okay.
you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace.
Ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of various soil for $30 after all the discounts. So I have some Patio Plus from Kellogg's. I have 2 bags of Miracle Grow. I also have some, what is this? It looks like it says Start Green on it, and I have another bag of all-purpose replacement soil. So pretty good haul. Overall, I'm happy with the price, $30, and especially to fill just this raised bed, the other half of the raised bed. So I'm pretty, I'm pretty cool with that. They had a lot of bags, so I'm gonna make another trip back there to get some more of those bags for the discounted price. And nothing wrong with a discount coming from the big box store. So I'm about to start to fill up this raised bed on the other half, and then I probably might do a little bit more on the other half, and then I'm gonna start planting inside this raised bed. All right, you guys know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace. All right, there you have it, guys. The garvee raised bed filled up. I planted a couple of seeds. I'm watering them in now, and looking forward to a prosperous spring season and summer and all other seasons. I got a few raised beds coming, and so I just want to complete off the garden, and then that's it. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.